Hi, and welcome back to LiveBinders. In this video, we'll be showing you how to enable multi-factor authentication to your LiveBinders account. Now, multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is a way to better secure your login process by adding one more step while logging in. The most secure way is through using a third-party application on your phone that gives you a code to add to your login process in addition to your password. And the one we recommend using is the Google Authenticator app. Once the app is installed on your phone, log into your LiveBinders and go up to the top right to open a drop-down menu and select My Profile. And now from here, go to Multi-Factor Authentication and click Setup. And then once you're on this screen, you can open up your Authenticator app on your phone and then select Scan a QR code and scan the code. And then you can enter your 6-digit code here. And now MFA is enabled. So now to demonstrate, I'll log out. And then back in. And then I can enter my code here that I received from the app on my phone. And I'm logged in.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.